Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Mojo, and I have here a beatseqr, which was designed and developed by my friend Steve Cooley, who was kind enough to let me demo this. Steve custom makes these. This one happens to feature an old school wood panel kind of casing. Pretty cool. For more information, you can check it out at beatseqr.com. And basically, what beatseqr is a MIDI step sequencer, patterned after the old school TR-808 909 drum machines. So you connects through USB right to your computer, works with either Windows or Mac. I believe I'm the first Windows user to shoot a demo with this. I've seen some other stuff done on the Mac, like with Logic and what have you. But I'm a Windows user, and I use Sonar as my DAW of choice. In any event, what the beatseqr does is you've got a series of 16 steps, which represent one musical bar, with which you can program different beats, patterns, musical phrases, and what have you. You can actually switch between up to 4 different patterns, and you can control up to 8 different voices. Now, these voices can actually be further modulated with these sliders, and that controls MIDI velocity, or MIDI CC, or MIDI note value. You also have the capability of controlling the tempo and the swing value right from the panel here. And so all in all, it's a pretty cool performance tool, and I'm going to demo this bad boy with some old school jungle drum and bass style beats that I've programmed. Before I do that, real quick, I just want to go over a little bit of the Windows setup, because like I said, I believe I'm the first Windows user to shoot a demo, and I want to show the configuration. Pretty straightforward, but nice to have a little bit more detail. So what you have here is you do have to install a Windows driver, pretty straightforward driver setup. What that does is sets up a virtual serial port to interface with your USB. So I've got mine set to COM5. Now there's a couple of applications that you would install. One is called Roxor, and Roxor actually is what patches the serial interface to this application called Stepa. And Stepa is actually where the MIDI magic is done. So I've got my MIDI out set to an application I've been using for a while called MIDI Yoke, which acts as like a MIDI patch, MIDI routing emulation type deal. And I've got my 8 MIDI channels set up, which control each of the voices within Sonar. And here within Sonar, I've got my virtual synth set up. So I've got a sample loop player called Drop Zone to trigger a couple loops, and then I've got these Cyclone virtual synths, which act like MPC drum pad triggers, where I've got some samples already set up and ready to go. So without further ado, I think it's time to rock some funky beats.